Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy and doing well today. I am very excited to share this lesson with you. Today, I want to share something very important and helpful. Many people ask the same question. How can I learn English fast? Some people feel confused when they start learning English. They do not know where to begin. Some people think English is very difficult. But the truth is, it is not so hard. If you follow the right steps, you can learn English quickly and easily. In this video, I will show you some simple steps. These steps are very easy, and anyone can follow them. You do not need any special skill to start. So please listen carefully till the end. Learning English is not difficult. You just need the right method and daily practice. If you stay consistent, you will improve step by step. Remember, small progress is still progress. Step 1. Practice every day. Practice is the key to success. Without practice, you cannot improve. When you practice daily, your mind becomes stronger. Try to speak a little English every day. Even one sentence is enough to start. You don't always need a partner. You can practice alone at home. This is called self-talk.
Self-talk is very simple. Just say what you are doing in English. You can also talk about your thoughts. For example, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking. I am going to school. You can also say, I am feeling happy today. It may feel funny at first, but it really works. Do not feel shy when you practice alone. If you do this every day, your brain will start thinking in English. Step 2. Listen every day. Listening is very powerful. It helps you understand real English. When you listen, you learn pronunciation and rhythm. You can listen to English songs, English news, YouTube videos. You can also listen to short conversations. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That is completely normal. Even advanced learners do not understand everything. Just listen again and again. Slowly, you will understand more. Your ears will become familiar with English sounds. Think about a baby. A baby listens first, then starts speaking. The baby learns step by step. You can learn the same way.
Step 3. Read every day. Reading helps you learn new words and sentences. It also improves your understanding. Start with easy content. Short stories, simple articles. You can also read children's books. Do not start with difficult books. If it is too hard, you may feel tired, and you may lose interest. Try to read loudly. This will improve your speaking too. It will also improve your confidence. Reading helps your pronunciation, vocabulary, confidence. Step 4. Write every day. Writing makes your English clear and strong. It helps you organize your thoughts. Start small. Write a few sentences daily. Do not try to write too much at the beginning. For example, today I woke up early. I went to school. I met my friend. Or write about your plans. Tomorrow I will study English. I will visit my uncle. You can also write about your feelings. Writing helps you think in English and improve your grammar. It also helps you remember new words. Important tips. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Repeat every day. Repetition is very important. If you repeat, you remember. If you stop, you forget.
Also, enjoy the learning process. Learning should be fun, not stressful. Do not think English is a burden. You can watch movies, listen to songs, read interesting stories. You can even talk to yourself while watching something. When you enjoy learning, you learn faster. Your mind becomes more active. At first, you may know only a few words. You may feel nervous when you speak. You may speak slowly. You may feel shy. But slowly, everything will change. Your fear will become confidence. You will speak better. You will feel more confident. Confidence is very important. It makes your English strong and clear. It helps you speak without fear. If you follow these steps every day, speak, listen, read, write, you will see a big improvement in your English. Your skills will grow day by day. English is not far from you. It is very close. You just need time, practice, and patience. Never give up on your learning journey. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Speak one sentence, listen for 5 minutes. Read one page, write 3 lines. This small routine can change your life. Do this every day, and your English will grow step by step.
So, my dear friends, before I say goodbye, I want to tell you something from my heart. Learning English is not just about language. It is about changing your life. It is about opening new doors. It is about becoming a better version of yourself. Maybe today you feel shy. Maybe today you feel slow. Maybe today you feel that your English is not good enough. But please remember one thing. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker you see today started just like you, with simple words, small sentences, and many mistakes. So never feel ashamed. Never compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own. Your progress is your own. Just focus on one thing. Keep going. Even if you learn 1 word a day, you are moving forward. Even if you speak 1 sentence a day, you are improving. Slow progress is still progress. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when you want to quit. But on those days, remember why you started. Remember your dream. Remember your goal. Remember the person you want to become. Because one day, you will speak English confidently. You will understand easily. You will express your thoughts without fear. And on that day, you will look back and smile and say, yes, I did it. So believe in yourself. Trust the process. Stay consistent and never give up. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Your support means everything to me. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a like. Share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and grow with you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Smooth English Talks, for more simple, easy, and powerful English learning videos. We are building a strong learning community together, and I am very happy to have you here with me. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you again very soon in the next video. Goodbye and happy learning.